Making homemade granola bars with your kids is a fun and rewarding activity. These bars are healthy, delicious, and perfect for little hands to help out. Here's a simple, kid-friendly recipe to get started. Ingredients: 2 cups rolled oats, 1 cup rice cereal, 1 2-cup honey, 1 4-cup brown sugar, 1 4-cup unsalted butter, 1 TSP vanilla extract, 1 4 TSP salt, 1 2-cup chocolate chips, 1 2-cup dried cranberries. Instructions: 1. Begin by lining an 888-inch baking dish with parchment paper. 2. In a large bowl, combine the oats and rice cereal. 3. In a saucepan, combine honey, brown sugar, and butter. Cook over medium heat, stirring constantly until the mixture starts to bubble. Let it bubble for 1 minute, then remove from heat. 4. Stir in vanilla extract and salt. 5. Pour the honey mixture over the oats and rice cereal, mixing well to ensure everything is coated. 6. Let your kids stir in the chocolate chips and dried cranberries. 7. Press the mixture firmly into the prepared baking dish. 8. Refrigerate for at least 2 hours or until firm. 9. Once set, lift the granola block out of the dish using the parchment paper and cut it into bars. Enjoy these tasty granola bars as a snack or breakfast treat. Cooking together not only creates delicious food, but also cherished memories.